What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to put on the spiderweb shade on a Jeep Gladiator JT. Be installing the spiderweb shade bikini top for the Jeep Gladiator. Also make this for the Wrangler. On both of my previous Jeeps I've been running the spiderweb shade. I did try the alien web shade. Only thing about that one is that it came with individual bungee cord, which I didn't like. So the spiderweb shades, they come pre-attached to the bikini top, so they're much cleaner. And they also come with these. It's like the bungee cord holders, so you don't have those balls just holding your bungee cords. You actually have this stuff to hold them, which looks cleaner and it's easier to take off when you want to take off your bikini top. What came with the spiderweb shades are you have 10 of these bungee cord holders, and as far as tools, all you're gonna need is your Jeep toolkit that came with the Jeep. And then also the kit came with a T25 torque bit, which you're going to need to install these. So for this install, you are going to need to drop your windshield down. So I have my KC light bars, so I'm gonna have to take this off. I do have to take out my light bar anyway because my windshield's being replaced on Monday, and my light bar mounts are actually in the way of the windshield. So let's do the first step. So we're gonna take these bungee cord holders, we're gonna put it where these screws are at right here. My fire extinguisher is in the way, so let me take this out first and then I'll show you guys exactly where it is. We got these screws right here with little dimples. So we have one here, you see I already put one here, and then you have one here. So you have 3 in the back, so 1, 2, and then 3. So you just take off this T25 torque screws, put that screw inside this hole, and then screw it back in, just like that. Alright, so once you get those 3 done, now we have 2 up front. So you have one right here and then one right here. So 2 right there in the middle of the seat. Alright guys, so once we get all 5 installed on each side, so you got 5 on this side and then 5 on the other side, let's go ahead and set the bikini top. So the spiderweb shade logo, it's going to be towards the back, and then so you grab the bungee. I would say alternate sides, so if you put one bungee here, go on the other side and match that up and then install that. So what you do is you just, it's a bungee cord, so you just stretch it out and then hook it up to the bungee cord holder. Just take your time, make sure the bikini top is straight. So just hook this one up here, go to the other side, hook up that side, and then so on. So I did forget to mention that the bikini top came with a string. So this string is actually a bungee cord puller. So you can use this to help you pull that bungee cord. So grab this tool, attach it like so. Camera, fish the string and just pull, and then attach that. So once you get that attached, then you just pull the string. There you guys have it. So this makes it a lot easier to install these bungee cords, because when you do stretch them, they get a lot of tension. Alright guys, so what's left is putting down the windshield. Alright guys, so I got my light bars out. Next we're gonna take off the windshield wipers. So our Jeep toolkit came with the windshield wiper bolt remover. So this is what you're gonna use. So you do have these 2 caps, one right there and then one on the other side. So this cap, you could just pry this out. So now you can see the bolt. Next, lift up your wiper blades. we're gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna set you guys down. So we'll take our tool, just loosen the bolt. How you doing?
How's it going, man? Sweet G.
Thanks, man. So once you guys take off the bolt, there it is. Now we're gonna do the same on the other side. Alright guys, so once we take off our wiper blades, we're gonna go inside the Jeep now. So inside the Jeep, where your visor is at, behind it there's a bolt right here. So same thing with your Jeep kit, it's gonna be this tool, the long one, and then we're just gonna take this one and then the one on the other side. Alright, so once we get the driver's side out, let's move on to our passenger side and take that bolt out. Once you get those outer bolts out, now let's move on to the inner bolts. So you have this one and then you have one right here, and we should be able to fold the windshield after those two. Alright, got the 2 last bolts out. Now let's go ahead and push the windshield down. Alright guys, so once you drop the windshield down, we could go ahead and hook up our last 4 bungees on our Jeep. Alright, so let's start off with the first bungee. So we'll go ahead and pull this, get the hook, and then we're gonna hook it up onto here. Just like that. So that's one bungee. Now we're gonna take the second one, go ahead and pull that, hook that up. Like that, and then now we'll go ahead and make our way over to the passenger side and hook up the last 2. Alright, there you guys have it. So that's how you install the spider web shade for the Jeep Gladiator. So yeah, red looks pretty good. So now when I have the top off, baby girl can enjoy the top off without getting really hot from the sun. So we're still gonna get that nice breeze when we drive, and you know, of course, lower the UV rays shining down on us. So there you guys have it. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll answer your questions. Hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna link this product down in the description if you guys want to buy this specific one. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Peace.